Biology GCSE Components of the blood. Our blood contains four different components that you need to know about for GCSE. The first one is the red blood cells, also called erythrocytes. Red blood cells are adapted for carrying oxygen. Red blood cells have a biconcave shape. This is sort of like a donut shape. This donut shape gives them a large surface area for absorbing oxygen. They also have no nucleus. Red blood cells have no nucleus, allowing more oxygen to be carried in each cell. The red blood cells are red because they contain a red pigment called hemoglobin. In the lungs, hemoglobin joins with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin, and in the muscles, the oxyhemoglobin releases the oxygen. High up in mountains, there is less oxygen in the air. The people who live there develop extra red blood cells to help them pick up the oxygen. This is a physical adaptation of people living in the mountains. The second component in the blood is the white blood cells. Some white blood cells, called phagocytes, can engulf and digest pathogens. This is a white blood cell here, a phagocyte. Inside it is a virus. It will digest and destroy the virus. Other white blood cells, called lymphocytes, produce antibodies to fight pathogens, and they make antitoxins to neutralize a pathogen's toxins. White blood cells fight pathogens. The third component of the blood are platelets. They're small fragments of broken cells that help to clot the blood at the site of a wound. Here you see red blood cells being clotted and bound together by a protein called fibrin. Fibrin is produced by platelets. The fourth component of the blood is the blood plasma. The blood plasma is a yellow liquid. What does it contain? Well, 7 different things. The other components of the blood, such as red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. It also contains nutrients like glucose and amino acids. It contains the waste gas carbon dioxide dissolved inside it, and another waste substance called urea that's made in the liver. It contains hormones such as adrenaline, the fight and flight hormone, and it contains proteins. It also contains antibodies and antitoxins for fighting pathogens. Those are the components of the blood. Now let's have a go at some exam questions. Pause the video, have a go at the exam question, then unpause the video and watch the answers come up and mark your work. Okay, let's look at the next exam question. Pause the video again. Okay, here come the answers. Make sure you mark your answers to see how you do. Remember, you can watch the videos as many times as you like. There's one more exam question coming, so pause the video. It's a 6 marker. Here come the answers. Remember to share the videos to help other students succeed in their exams. And don't forget, let's get to the marks.